Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to start unitary method for class 7. It is a simple method as we are starting from class 5, 6 unitary. First, we find the value or um, price or cost, whatever question is asking, for 1 unit. Then we go for the more than 1. मतलब क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद पहले एक यूनिट का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. Yes, as we completed the ratio and proportion, so we can use the ratio and proportion to find unitary method also. So unitary method, we can use ratio and proportion also. For example, some questions here, like question number 1. First question writing. Simple question. First, if oranges cost 110, what do 39 oranges 15 oranges cost 110, यानी 15 ऑरेंज का कॉस्ट अगर 110 रुपीज है तो 39 ऑरेंज का कॉस्ट क्या हो? So 15 orange given, we want 39. So from 15, first we find 1 as a unit, then after go for 30. There's 15 orange here. Cost of 15 orange equal to 110. Therefore, cost of 1 orange equal to rupees 110, and say 15 and 1 is less. जब हम लोग कम ऑरेंज खरीदेंगे तो कम पैसा लगेगा, कम, so divide, less means divide by 15. Therefore, cost of 39 equal to is 110 by 15. 139 is more. If we purchase more orange, we have to pay more money. More money means multiply. More money means multiply by. Understand what I am saying? 15 orange cost 110. 1 less orange to less pay, divide 1. 1, this is the cost. So 39 more than 1. More orange we purchase, so more we have to pay, multiply. Now we have to solve it. Simplify. 5. 5 3 5 22. 3 13. It means rupees 22. You have to multiply it and write the value. When we multiply 22 and 13, what we get? What we get? Once again explaining, जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चंस बनाना होगा, याद रहे हमें 1 यूनिट का वैल्यू निकालना ही पड़ेगा. Cost of 15 orange 110. 1 orange less than 15, less to pay, divide by 15. Then by 39, when we go for 39, more orange, more to pay. So 39 multiply here, 286 is the answer. This is the one of the way. Now, same questions we are going to solve by ratio and proportion. Same question. Same question solving by the ratio and proportion. 15 orange cost 110. What do 39 orange cost? Let cost be x. It means 15 orange 110. So 39 orange x cost is to 15 to 110 proportional to 39 to x. Okay, we are writing in same sequence. 15 orange 110 rupees. 39 orange x rupee. Product of mean, product of extreme. Product of mean equal to product of extreme. Mean is 110 into 39 equal to 15 into x. 15 into x equal to 110 into 39. Therefore, x equal to 110 into 39 by 15. After that, we have to cancel it or solve. 5 3 522. 3 13. It means 22 into 13, 286. 286. So anyhow we have to solve, answer will be same. ओके जिसे जैसे पसंद हो, स्टेटमेंट से आप बनाना चाहते हैं स्टेटमेंट से बनाइए, बिना स्टेटमेंट के बनाना है रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन से, कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ता. One more question we have to solve. This from this question from exercise 16 or 9. Exercise 9A. 9A, question number 3. This question is from R.S. Agarwal book of mathematics. Question is simple. I am reading from here. The cost of 37 meter of silk is 6290. Cost of 37 meter of silk is rupees 6290. What length of silk can be purchased from for rupees 4420? Very clear written. 37 मीटर सिल्क का प्राइस है 6290. कितने मीटर सिल्क 4420 में आप खरीद सकते हो. लेट लेंथ ऑफ सिल्क एक्स, यानी एक्स सिल्क कर जाएगा मुझसे. क्वेश्चन है 37 मीटर सिल्क 6290 में मिलता है. 37 मीटर सिल्क 6290 में मिलता है. तो कितना सिल्क मींस एक्स सिल्क 4420 में मिलता है. रेशियो प्रोपोर्शनल. फिर से एक बार क्वेश्चन इज 37 मीटर सिल्क is 6290. How much silk X silk for 4420? Product of equal to product of extreme. It means 6290 into x equal to 37 into 4. Therefore, x equal to 37 into 4 by 6290. Cancel. After that, 37. Try to divide 6 to 9. 6 to 9, you have to divide by 6 to 9 by 37. 37? 37 2. I think it will become in 29. Now, right. 17. Dividing? Yes, 17. And now divide 442 by 17. You got 26. It means 26 meter. Once again, the same question. We have to solve by the statement. Cost of 37 meter is 6290. First, understand this one. We let the length of x meter still purchase on 4420. 37 meter 6290 x meter 4420. Two ratios equal second ratio. First ratio equal to second ratio. Product of mean, product of extreme. These two mean, these two extreme. Final answer. Now solving the statement. Same third question. Statement में cost of 37 meter 662 629 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 meter, less to pay. So 62905. Therefore, is given now. Question number 3. See, why I am erasing here? 37 meter 6290 given and given 4420 rupees. It means the whole statement we have to invert. सीधे statement को उल्टा करना पड़ेगा. 4 rupees 6290 length of silk is 37 meter. Therefore, rupees 1 rupees में हम सिल्क मिलेगा. Length भी 37 by 6290. Therefore, 4420 length is 37 6290 into 442. क्यों मैंने पहले वाले को इरेज किया? कारण ये था हमारा कि लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन इज 37 मीटर से 46290 में मिलता है. तो रुपीज इज गिवन, मीटर इज आस्क्ड. So reverse the statement. 6290 length B of silk 37 meter. So for one पैसा है, कम सिल्क मिलना चाहिए. लेस मीन्स डिवाइड. ज्यादा पैसा है, ज्यादा सिल्क मिलना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाई. एंड 37 once again divide by 2690. 2690 by 37. 6290 by 37. 0 0 cancel, it is 17. And 4 2 divided by 17 is 26. Both by same answer. इस तरह से यूनिटरी मेथड रिवाइज करना है, स्टार्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और क्वेश्चन हम लोग यूनिटरी मेथड पर देखेंगे, हाउ टू सॉल्व